Japanese aces come in all sorts of colours and they can be planted in open ground but also do well in pots. In this video I'm going to show you how to plant one and talk you through a few key factors to grow a successful maple. Water your acer before planting and you want your new pot to be at least 2 or 3 times bigger than the old one. So make sure you have drainage holes in the bottom, and we are just going to fill the bottom with broken pot or tile just so the water can drain away easily. Acers like a slightly acidic soil, so a good 50-50 mix of normal compost and ericaceous compost is ideal. So fill it about halfway or just so the base of the tree is more or less level with the top of the pot. Then a good little trick is to put the original pot in the soil and press it in. This will leave an indent that is the perfect fit for your new tree. If you're finding this video useful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So the position of your new acer is really important as they don't like the wind or really hot sun. So a semi-sheltered spot out of the heat of the midday sun is ideal. Keep them moist but not overwatered, and pruning should take place when dormant, so from November to early March. And you could also add a mulch to keep the moisture in. So other videos that you might find useful is how to divide bamboo, pruning hydrangeas and pruning rose bushes. Thanks for watching.